Hello friends, today I'm going to give you out the review of 3 products which I grabbed from Aroma Treasures. I have taken the Lavender Mist. I'll be talking in detail about what it is. Then I also grabbed the Bearberry AHA Cream, this one, and the third one I grabbed the Aroma Treasures Orange Cleanup Kit. In today's video, I'll be talking about each product individually and let you know how I felt about it. So let us quickly get started. So friends, the very first product I'll be talking about is the Aroma Treasures Relaxing Lavender.
Relaxing Lavender Pillow Fabric Room Mist is enriched with 100% pure essential oils of lavender and Patanjali. It is an ideal companion to help de-stress when a million thoughts run through your mind. Lavender flower oil calms the restlessness and deeply relaxes body and mind. Patanjali aroma has a grounding effect and eases anxious emotions. You need to spray 3 to 4 times on your pillow or your bed or just in the room. Repeat periodically to enjoy the calming effect of the 100% pure essential oil blend and have a beautiful sound and relaxing sleep.
I really like this lavender mist. It's like a very good concept and you have different variants in this as well. This one which I have is a 50 ml variant and I just purely loved it by the concept of aromatherapy. Like, you know, if you have that relaxing aroma near you, you will definitely feel good, and that ambience is really created that you get a very good sleep. If you're suffering from insomnia and you have a very stressful life, I think you should definitely try out this product. Aroma Treasures is a brand which is purely made in India, so that's why I really liked it. The concept is really amazing, and a person who always, you know, like me, who keeps on thinking things and do not get sleep easily, I think this is a great concept for those people. So if you are interested in buying any of the products which I'm going to show in the video, you can check the link in the description box below. Moving on to the second product which I used from them is this Aroma Treasures Orange Cleanup Kit. Now friends, as a female, we always end up using facial cleanups, right? And you need to do facial cleanups in 15 days to get that glowing skin. And what better than orange? Very high rich content in vitamin C, so you can definitely try this one. Now let me quickly tell you about this one.
It contains 4 steps. Step number 1, massaging the tropical spa orange gel with little water for 10 minutes and wiping off. Second step will be the massaging of the orange scrub. Take steam if required. Friends, regular use of this facial will help clear the dull and patchy skin, and it promotes radiance and smoothness. Third step friends, massaging the orange cream with little water. Massage onto your face for 10 minutes nicely in upward motion and wipe it off. And the last step is apply the mask on the face. This facial works as an astringent, eliminating bacteria and helping control oil with locking in hydration. It also fights aging by enhancing cell regeneration and prevents the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. Wait until the mask dries and gently wash it off. Don't worry friends, this product is completely free from any harmful chemicals.
So before using this facial cleanup kit, you should definitely take a steam. I would recommend you that. And this is an orange cleanup kit friends, rich in vitamin C. So if you are looking out for there is a wedding or you want to go out somewhere and you want that glowing skin, beautiful glowing skin, you should definitely take a facial. And I think this is a great product for that purpose. This whole cleanup kit steps contains a beautiful aroma of oranges. It is completely natural. Don't worry, no harmful ingredients used, no parabens, no sulfates, and it is really very pocket friendly too. The next and the last product which I grabbed from this brand is this Day Cream, Fairness Day Cream, Bearberry AHA Cream. Now on the packet it says for normal to dry skin, again purely made in India. So this is how the packaging looks like.
This cream is formulated to provide nourishment of various natural sources. The cream is enriched with 100% pure essential oils of clary sage, vetiver, yang yang, patanjali, lavender and jasmine, and many other natural actives. The AHA, that is the alpha hydroxyl acid, helps peel away the surface of the skin so that new, more evenly pigmented skin cells may generate and take their place. This cream also tones the skin and promotes healthier skin texture by providing it with all the essential nutrients. This toning cream leaves the facial skin moisturized and glowing. It's free from parabens, sulfates, petrochemicals, silicone, synthetic perfumes and harmful ingredients. After use, you will likely notice that your skin is smoother to the touch. Get the best AHA Day Cream for your skin's best health.
Friends, friends, this daily cream states that it's free from parabens, sulfates, petrochemicals, silicons, synthetic perfumes and harmful ingredients. This Aroma Treasure brand is a brand which makes completely natural product. 97% natural, 2 naturally derived ingredients you will get. So I think it's an amazing brand. And also, let me tell you something more about the brand. It's written over here that the oils which they are using, the Aroma Treasures brand is using the oils that have put in years of research and study in this field. We at Aroma Treasures firmly believe that the power of aroma oils invigorates the mind, body and soul. So I got these 3 products from that brand. And I think it's really amazing how this cream works, because if you are looking at fairness, right now friends, what is fairness? Like, you have pigmentation marks, you have pimple marks, you have blemishes, hyperpigmentations. So if you use this cream, you should definitely see that it has a chemical peeling agent or ingredient added into it, that is the AHA, alpha hydroxyl acid. So this AHA has a slow process of peeling out your skin and building new collagen peptides and giving you a youthful skin as well. And friends, one more thing I noticed about this Bearberry AHA cream, especially that this is like a skin treatment cream. So if you're using this cream, I would highly suggest you not to apply anything else after that, because it is like a skin treatment. If you want to treat your skin, remove the blemishes and pimples, so you can definitely use this. But after this, do not apply any sunscreen or any makeup. Just let this cream work alone. The very great part about any skincare brand which I like is that they give you the complete ingredient list. So you can see it, the whole complete ingredient list is given, that what are the ingredients added into it. So I think that is a very great thing, the brand being transparent to you. So I loved all the 3 products which I have grabbed from this brand, and I'm looking forward to grab more from them. And yeah, that was it about the video, friends. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I hope you have liked this information provided by me. If you have liked it, then hit the like and share this information, pass it with your friends and relatives. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, little button, red color button down. Hit that subscribe button and do on the notification bell as well, so that I can see you next time too. Till then, you take care of yourself and always keep smiling. Bye bye.